Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. This easy method will have you enjoying a delicious breakfast in no time. First, gather your ingredients: bagels, eggs, bacon, and your favorite cheese. You'll also need a non-stick pan, a toaster, a spatula, and a plate. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a quick and tasty meal. Now let's cook the bacon and eggs. Place your bacon strips in a cold pan and cook over medium heat until they reach your desired crispiness. Remove the bacon and drain most of the grease, leaving a small amount for the eggs. Crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the pan. Cook them to your liking, whether that's a fluffy scramble or a perfectly runny over-easy egg. This step is key for flavor. With your bacon and eggs ready, it's time to assemble your delicious bagel. First, toast your bagel halves to a perfect golden brown. While they are still warm, place a slice of your favorite cheese on the bottom half of the bagel. The residual heat will help it melt beautifully. Next, add your perfectly cooked egg and then the crispy bacon. This layering creates a fantastic texture and flavor combination. To finish, add any condiments you love, such as a dash of hot sauce or a dollop of ketchup, to personalize your bagel. Carefully place the top half of the toasted bagel onto your assembled sandwich. Your homemade bacon, egg, and cheese bagel is now complete and ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while everything is warm and the cheese is perfectly melted for the ultimate breakfast experience. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.